Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we'll see how to prepare the transporter ventilator before transport the baby, and how to adjust the parameter before transferring the patient or putting the patient in the transfer ventilator. So, okay, Dr. Ahmed, you will tell us.
Today we'll talk how to put the setting for the mechanical ventilator or the transport machine. After the tubing are connected, there is two modes of ventilation in this mechanical ventilator: controlled mandative ventilator and CPAP mode only. Okay. After we choose the mode which controlled mandative ventilator, we choose the flow. It we see 6 to 8 liters per minute, and there is only four parameters to choose from them. The first one is the beep, make it 5-6 according to the patient. Second setting is the BIP, to make it according to the last setting on the ventilator. And there is the TI and TE, time of inspiration and time of expiration. With them we can choose the RR rate and the TI. In the preterm always we choose from 0.3 if it's extreme preterm to 0.4 if it's full term. And by expiratory time we can choose the RR rate. How it is done? If the patient RR is 60, so every cycle of breath is 1 second. So we choose TI 0.4 like this, and make it 0.6, so the whole cycle is 1 second, so the RR is 60. And this is only the setting choose. And this is the knob for the FiO2 if it's connected to the auto blender. And this is how we set the ventilator ready for transfer. And thank you.
Thank you.